Alright, welcome back class. In this video, we're going to talk about arithmetical progression. It's a type of sequence. So an arithmetical progression or arithmetic progression, sometimes it's called linear progression. Okay, it is one in which the difference between two consecutive terms is the same throughout. So consecutive terms means one following the other, one following the other. So you see, this is a term, the next term after it is 10, and the difference between them is 5. The next term after 10 is 15, the difference between them is 5. The next term after 20 is this, after 15 is 20, and the difference between them is what? 5, and so on. So you can predict the next term. So this is an example of an arithmetical or arithmetic progression. This second one, you see, this one is actually decreasing, unlike this one. This one is increasing, this one is decreasing. This one is decreasing by 6, 6, 6. So first term, second term is obtained by removing 6 from the first term, and so on. So this is an arithmetic progression with a decreasing sequence. So this one is also arithmetic progression, but this is also increasing, right? So how do we know that it's an AP? This is the key to it all. So how do we know that it's an AP? We know that it's an AP if the difference between two consecutive terms. These two terms are consecutive terms. These ones are consecutive terms. These ones are consecutive terms. Consecutive terms means the one after the other. Okay? So these are consecutive terms in this case. Now, in one, this is how to calculate the difference, common difference. The first term is called the first term of a sequence, whatever sequence it is, right? Sequence is denoted by A, always. Okay, so the common difference and the common difference by D. So that is how we denote the those terms in AP, in an AP, right? These are terminologies in AP. So now, in this case, the first one in Roman figure 1 above, my first term A is equal to what? 5. Common difference is calculated this way. Take the order, don't forget. Common difference is calculated this way. D is equal to a term minus its preceding term. What is the meaning of preceding term? A term before another term is called its preceding term. So 15. Which term precedes 15 is 10. Which term precedes 20 is 15. Which term precedes 10 is this. Or succeeding term, which term succeeds 10 is 15. Which one succeeds 15 is 20, and so on. So a term minus its preceding term, in this case, common difference, I can use any two terms, any two consecutive terms. I can say 10 minus 5 or 15 minus 10. All will give me D is equal to what? 5. So that's how to calculate the common difference of an AP. So in the second one, in Roman figure 2 above, the first term is what? The first term is 18. The common difference D, any term minus its preceding term. So 12 minus 18 now. Not 18 minus 12, mind you, not 18 minus 12. So it's going to be 12 minus 18, or I'll take any two again. 0 minus 6 or 6 minus 12. Anyone. 6 minus 12. In each case, I am going to get minus 6. See? So, in Roman figure 3 above, the first term A is equal to what? 3 whole number 1 over 4. The common difference is going to be any term minus its preceding term. Any term minus its preceding term. So I'm going to take 5, for instance. 5 whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 whole number 1 over 4. So I am now going to find it. Or if I like, 7 whole number 1 over 4 minus 5 whole number 1 over 2. Anyone will give me the same thing as long as it is an AP. The moment it fails to give you the same thing, it is no longer an AP. Take note of that. So I'm going to have, okay, the LCM here is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 in 4 is 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4 in 4, 1 times this is 1, right? So I'm going to have 2 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, 2 whole number 1 over 4. So that is it. That is the common difference, D. Okay, the next item is to be able to find terms in an AP. Okay, find terms in an AP. So for any AP, how do we get the terms in an AP? You see, nth term of an AP is the next thing. Nth term of an AP. Don't forget all these ideas I've given you. A term minus its preceding term is equal to the common difference. We call this the common difference. Common difference. Common difference. Okay? Common difference. Not just difference. Common difference. Because the difference is common. So the next idea is to find nth term of an AP. Okay? Nth term of an AP. So, but before we do that, I'll give you some things to do. Find the common difference of the following APs. Find in each AP below classwork. Okay, I'll write it down for you. I'll write it. Don't worry. In our next video, we'll talk about nth term of an AP. Thank you.